Hey everybody, it's Gail. First, when you get a topper, it matters where your hair loss is, the size that you need up here. So, of course, you see my hair loss. I've had hair loss. It started about 11 years ago. Anyway, so what you do is you start where about 4 fingers up, where your hairline is supposed to be, and you take your measurement and you measure all the way back to where your hairline loss stops. And mine stops about 8 inches. So then you just take and look, and 8 inches. And then you go from ear to ear across the top of your head about a 1/2 inch above your ear, because you don't want your topper touching your ears. And mine, I believe, is 10.5. So that's what you need to know. So like the topper I'm putting on is a 7x8, but it's plenty of coverage. And the reason I say that is because if you get like a 5x5 and you got that much hair loss, when the wind blows, you're gonna see the bald in the back. But this one, you're not. So, because normally I wear a lace front topper because I don't have much of a hairline. This is a mono top, and it's got 4 clips, and it's wefted here. And this part, you can part your hair anywhere. So then I put my hair up in a ponytail, so I can put that wire underneath something. And I don't have much of a bone back there to hold anything, but that ponytail, when I take it out, it has something to grip onto my hair. So here we go. I'm gonna put this on, and then we're just gonna, she is underneath my ponytail, and then I just pull her back like this, flip her over, and then you gotta line them up with your hairline right here, and see she is laying flat without me even clipping it in. So I'm gonna clip it in right now, and you just scoop underneath. Got the back clip. Okay, and then I just blend my hair. I want you to see that part line, and I want you to see this hair. And I tell you what I love about it too is you've got this money piece, and I've got my hair, and then I'm going to turn around and let you see the back blended with my hair. And then I'm going to show you how easy it is to take off. So you just unclip the 4 clips, and then when you raise her up, you wiggle her back and forth like this. There we go. Voila, that easy. And also, she's wonderful to wear in the summer. You can pull her up in the back, you can clip her up in the back. But anyway, I'm really pleased with that. I like this. Y'all need to check her out.